Representing the Colorado Springs Pikes Peak chapter and Colorado Springs Metro chapter, please welcome Velcro.
Ba-bum, ba-bum, bum, bum.
I don't know why I love you like I do. I don't know why I just do. I don't know why you thrill me like you do. I don't know why you just do. Yes, you do. You never seem to want my romancing. The only time you hold me is when we're dancing. I don't know why I love you like I do. I don't know why I just do. It's true. I don't know why I love you like I do. Oh, I don't know why I just do. I do. I don't know why you thrill me like you do. I don't know why you just do. You do. You never seem to want my romancing. The only time you hold me is when we're dancing. I don't know why I love you like I do. I don't know why I just do. I don't know why I love you the way I do. I just do.
Oh,
Ring around the rosy and pick a little posy while you're doing the red rose rag.
my
Oh,
honey.
down in the garden where the red roses grow. Oh my, I long to go.
Just
Pluck me like a flower, cuddle me an
Oh,
hour.
honey, let me learn that
Red rose rag,
now.
red leaves are falling in a rosy romance.
And
Bees hum, come, now's your chance. So don't go hunting possum, mingle with the blossoms in that flowery bowery. That dance, oh honeymoon, shine on in June and hear me croon his loving tune. Trees and breezes crying and sighing it.
honey, let me learn that
Red rose rag,
sweet
honey bee, be sweet to me. My heart is free, but here's the key. Lock up the garden gate, honey, you'll know I'll wait under the rambler rose tree.
Come on and
pick a pinky petal for your papa's bride.
Why don't you
beg a burning blossom for your budding bride? Woo me with that wonderful wiggle wag, wiggle wag. So tip to toes to tease me and to tickle too, and do the dainty dance like Danny Doodle do. Ring your rosy round that red rose.